He dashed a delicious dinner at the new restaurant last night. Has, had, had. Answer is had. He had a delicious dinner at the new restaurant last night. The dog dashed a shiny coat and wagging tail. Has, have, had. Answer is has. The dog has a shiny coat and wagging tail. She dashed a difficult time adjusting to the new school. Has, have, had. Answer is had. She had a difficult time adjusting to the new school. They dash been friends since childhood. Has, have, had. Answer is have. They have been friends since childhood. The company dash experienced significant growth in the past year. Has, have, had. Answer is has. The company has experienced significant growth in the past year. She dashed a beautiful garden with colorful flowers. Has, have, had. Answer is has. She has a beautiful garden with colorful flowers. I dash a wonderful time at the beach last summer. Has, have, had. Answer is had. I had a wonderful time at the beach last summer. Rule: has is used with any singular subject like he, she, it. Example: she has a beautiful car. Rule: have is used with any plural subject like we, they, I, you. Example: we have enjoyed a great dinner together. Rule: had is used with all subjects in past like I, we, they, he, she, it. Example: they had heated argument on phone.